From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we're finishing out the month of August, and thankfully it wasn't a very hot month, at least looking at daytime highs. Everything in the red are above normal temperatures, blue below normal, gray near normal, and you can see blue outbidding the red this month. And most of those days where we had temperatures below normal, those were rain days. The daytime highs were a couple of degrees below normal, but the nighttime lows actually a little bit above normal, almost a degree above normal, and that's why our mean temperature, if you add the highs and lows together for the entire month, a little bit below normal for August, but it was a wet month. Look at the rainfall days, and a couple of heavy rain days in the darker green here, especially as we got into the 25th, that big, heavy, soaking storm action that we had. And today, thankfully, no rain in the bucket at the Lafayette Airport, so good news there. But looking at the numbers for this month, compare it with previous August. Look at this. 2022, this month, ranks the third wettest August on record, second only to the big 2016 year where we had that slow-moving storm system, the unnamed storm that produced the widespread flooding. And back in 1940, big rainfall that was associated with a slow-moving hurricane that moved east to west across the Louisiana coastline and produced most of this 30 inches of rain plus just with that storm, and set the record for Lafayette for 19.63 inches of rain in a 24-hour period. And notice the records. Look at all these. 4 out of the top 5 records in the last 6 years. That's on a 129-year record. So warmer climate means a warmer Gulf, which means more atmospheric moisture can be held in the atmosphere, and that's why we're seeing more intense, more frequent, and heavy rainfall events. It's simple climate right there, simple mathematics, and we're observing it each and every month and year just about. Now, as we take a look at what's going on across the area this evening, high pressure kind of coming in and dominating, keeping most of the showers and storms we thought would keep them at bay. We still have some active weather here up in Rapides Parish by the LeCount area, up through Alexandria. Glenmore probably going to get wet. Farther south we go, we have a little bit of a cell south of Oakdale, between Oakdale and Oberlin. Another small cell here, and another cell right by Jennings. Jennings, our friends here, are going to get a little bit of a shower. If it hasn't started already, it will be shortly. And farther south and east, this one lone shower that's been moving through Iberia Parish, really kind of falling apart after it moved through the Jeanerette area. It's right down by Avery Island, just south of the island here. That circle right there is Avery Island, showing you the little bit of the elevation that you get with that salt dome down there. So here's the big picture. Generally a little bit quieter today. Tropical wave to the west, upper low to the east, and as we get into the Atlantic Basin, still watching 3 systems, 2 of which look like they may go. This one could be a subtropical system. It's going to go and go quickly in the North Atlantic. The one off the African coast, the odds lowered just a little bit on development. That's going to be a short-lived system. And this one right here, east of the Caribbean, this one looks to go, but it's going to curve in the Atlantic. What we'll be watching is this tropical wave that's going to be heading for the Gulf of Mexico and adding to our rain chances as we head into the weekend. So tomorrow, normal summer-like day, then plenty of deep tropical moisture staying in the region going into next week as well. And we could see a tropical system from the Pacific adding more moisture to the Gulf of Mexico a week to 10 days down the road. So rainfall, not much through Friday, but you add it up over the next week to 10 days. And we're going to be back in a very soggy pattern as we get into the first few days of September after tomorrow morning. So as we head overnight tonight, again, a few showers developing again tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours, and we'll see things quiet overnight tonight. 76 the low tonight with generally fair skies, those showers dissipating. Then for tomorrow, rain chance 30-40% at most, temperatures in the low to mid 90s. So another summer-like day. Enjoy it because we won't see much sun. Scattered storms on Friday. Friday is not going to be a washout, but going into Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see locally very heavy rainfall. At times, kind of that wet, soggy pattern with storms in the morning and into the afternoon as well. That's it for weather. Now over to Jim and Marcel.